Judge, I think there's an assessment to have been gone to executions and move on.
What is the violation?
Alcohol and weed. I have done everything in my power to try to keep you out of custody. You have two open DWIs. I was now going to grant the fact that you had negotiated an intensive outpatient treatment. You now are testing positive for alcohol and marijuana while you're on bond for this case. And I have told you repeatedly that you are at no tolerance, Mr. Jones.
All right, folks, this court session is serious business. Mr. Jones is back in front of the judge and it's not going well. Even though he agreed to take part in a strict outpatient treatment program, he's still testing positive for alcohol and marijuana while out on bond. The court had a zero-tolerance rule and he broke it. The judge has had enough. With two open DWI cases already on his record, this latest slip-up only makes things worse. The mood in the courtroom is tense. This is a turning point, and a clear warning. Things can go downhill fast when you ignore the rules.
I don't do drugs. Period and point blank.
I have here.
Don't say anything. Can I get a copy of the bond violations before we discuss
Is it
it?
impending?
It's in ready for judge.
I don't know why it's not cool.
March 13th, the results were confirmed by the lab for alcohol and THC. Oh, wait. Joshua Dante Jones. Right? Joshua Dante Jones?
It just. That's
This has got, I don't know, something's wrong here.
I'm not understanding. I'm not saying.
Something's wrong. Oh. We need to put pretrial services on probation, man.
Close attention to this part. Things take a sharp turn. The courtroom gets chaotic as Jones firmly insists he doesn't use drugs. For a moment, even the judge starts to question things. Could they have the wrong person? The paperwork seems off. Suddenly, everyone is double-checking files, flipping through documents. And then it hits. They confirm it's not him. The tension breaks, and you can feel the relief. But here's the takeaway. Even a mistake like this can turn your life upside down. This isn't fiction. It's real. One wrong record can bring everything crashing down.
Sure.
I mean, it says here, Mr. Jones.
I don't see it in ready for judge.
No, it's wrong. It's wrong. Let me see it. It's wrong. Let me see. Yeah, it's wrong. It's a Joshua Dante.
Okay,
It's the exact same. Good.
so we're good.
Hey,
It wasn't you. We're good.
that's not you.
Let's go talk again.
Sorry to scare you.
Let's go talk.
He's good.
Judge, you stated this was in ready for judge?
I want to apologize for getting mad at you. I had the wrong person, so it wasn't you. So I'm sorry for raising my voice and getting upset with you. And the reason I got so upset was because you have two open DWIs. It's serious business. It's not and so.
The judge pauses, then does something. Rare. He apologizes. That's right. He admits he got the wrong person. But even with that correction, his message still hits hard. This isn't about personal feelings. It's about facts. Two DUI cases are serious, no matter who you are. The judge isn't just scolding anyone. He's trying to deliver a real warning. The justice system isn't here to ruin lives. It's here to prevent the next tragedy. He's not being harsh for no reason. He's trying to stop someone from becoming just another statistic. Let that sink in.
I see someone that has those kind of cases that are open, and when they start having more violations, that really tells me that there's a problem, which is not your case. I mean, I haven't seen any violations, which I'm hoping it stays that way. You know, the idea is that you learn something when you get here, so you leave better than you came, you know, because the last thing we want is for you to become a statistic. We have enough of that. We don't want any more. We don't want any more death on our streets. That's exactly what we're trying to prevent. And everything we do now here is to help you and give you the tools to make you better when you go out in the world, so that you think next time, you know, if you do want to get lit, right? If you want to have 32 shots of tequila, 52 joints, or whatever it may be, right? That you think before getting into a car. Because God forbid, it's that one mistake that you dig such a hole you never crawl out of. That's the idea.
This isn't just about consequences. It's about change. The goal here isn't to punish. It's to help you walk out stronger than when you came in. Jones is lucky. He's getting another chance, and that kind of break doesn't come around often. But with it comes a clear message. Don't blow it. One bad choice behind the wheel could destroy your life, or someone else's. It's not just about you anymore. It's about every single person you pass on the road. So before you pick up those keys, think. Rideshare apps exist for a reason. Use them.
You've worked a great deal here, really, where they're going to dismiss one of your DWIs. You're pleading to the other one. Nevertheless, when an officer pulls you over, the first thing they do, what do you think they do? They look at your record because they want to know who they're dealing with. If they look at your record and they go up to you in the car and they smell alcohol or dope, it's probably not going to go well. So the idea is, if you're going to get lit, if you're going to have that, be like that, take an Uber. Do you understand? The agreement that you worked out is, like I said, they're going to dismiss one of the DWIs. You're pleading guilty to one of the DWIs, so it will go on your record. You are now entering into an agreement, a plea bargain with the state. The agreement is 180 days in jail to be probated for 15 months. As part of the agreement, you will do a DWI education class, 2 victim impact panels. You will do a TRAS with conditions. You have already done the TRAS. The TRAS has recommended intensive outpatient treatment.
For no more excuses, no more stories. The deal is simple. He's facing 180 days in jail, but it's being probated over 15 months. That means he's getting a chance, not a sentence. He'll need to attend classes, go to victim impact panels, and follow strict alcohol and drug monitoring. This isn't just a set of rules, it's a lifeline. Refuse a breath test or fail a drug screen even once and it's over. He'll be right back behind bars. The system's offering him one final chance to make things right. Ignore it, and regret will come fast and hard.
Followed by supportive outpatient treatment, which is good. I'm telling you, I thought they were going to order you to do inpatient treatment. That's what I thought they were going to do. So this is great for you because you're not going into lockup. But understand, it's not easy. You have to get it done. If you don't, you understand. No drugs, no alcohol, no breath test refusal. So if you're pulled over in a car, an officer asks you to submit a breath test, you must do it. Guardian interlock, a $100 one-time donation to Mothers Against Drunk Driving, and 25 hours of community service. I will make you a deal. Your license is now suspended. I had them look it up to see whether you can drive or not. You can't drive now because your license is suspended. It's suspended until 2026 as to what state saw and looked up. If you get your license back, I will waive that community service for you. I would rather you spend the time to try to get your license back and get liability insurance, car insurance. If you do, I'll take off the 25 hours of community service.
Here comes the lifeline. The judge offers a deal. If he gets his license back, the community service requirement goes away. That's a win anyone should take seriously. The court isn't out to wreck his life. They want him driving legally, with insurance, and following the law. It's not easy, but it's fair. Take responsibility, and the system gives you some room. But if he slips up on probation, there's no more talking, just 180 days in jail, plain and simple. No second chances after that.
You understand? If you fail at this agreement, I will issue a warrant for your arrest. I'm going to bring you back out. We're going to have a talk about whether you violated this probation. If you do, you're looking at 180 days in jail. You understand?
Stop.
The worst possible thing you can do is just take off. If you do, that's an instant warrant. The other worst possible thing, if you pick up another DWI. If you do, I'm just going to lose even more hair. Don't, really. If you ever have a problem, come back, talk to us. We can always work it out. There's never nothing that we can't work out. Anything can be worked out. You're giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization under federal law. You give up the right to appeal. So once you plead guilty to this offense, it will go on your record. You can never take it off. Is this what you want to do? How do you plead to the offense of driving while intoxicated?
This is it. Your final warning. If you skip out, there's an automatic warrant. Get caught with another DWI and you're only making things worse for yourself. The judge isn't giving any more chances, but he's still leaving the door open. Just barely. If you mess up, come back and be honest. That offer won't last forever. You're right on the edge now, and the system is paying close attention. No more second chances, no more excuses. This isn't a game. It's your life, and it's your move.
I'm going to find you guilty. I'm going to follow the agreement. I'm not going to suspend your license. It's already suspended because of the ALR hearing, so don't just start driving until you get it back. Because you don't have a license, we're going to order you to get a portable device. I've been paying for it now while you're on bond for this case. I can't pay for it any further. Reduce his fees, please. The other thing that you need to understand is DWI is big business. There is a $3,000 surcharge that one normally tack onto this. I'm going to take it off now. But from now on, you ever pick up another DWI, that's a second. From now on, it's a minimum of 30 days in jail and a $6,000 surcharge on a second DWI. Do you understand? All right. Good luck, sir. Thanks, Jimmy. You can wait now.
Now the judge delivers the final word. You've officially pled guilty. There's no reversing it. That DWI will stay on your record permanently. No appeal, no expungement, no second chance. By accepting this deal, you're also giving up your right to a trial. The risks are serious. This could affect your immigration status, your job, and your reputation. But make no mistake, you agreed to this outcome. Now it's on you to follow through. Because one more mistake, that could mean real time behind bars. This is serious. This is real, and it's not going away.